Hello, and welcome back to English in Real Life, the podcast that helps you learn natural English for everyday situations.
Hi everyone, I'm James.
And I'm Olivia.
In our last episode, we took you to the airport.
And today, we're taking you somewhere a little more fun. The shops.
The shops, yes. We're going shopping and learning how to make small talk. Those short, friendly conversations that make you sound confident and polite.
James, be honest. Are you a good shopper?
Depends. If it's books or gadgets, I'm unstoppable. But clothes? I'm gone in 10 minutes.
Typical. I love taking my time, trying things on and chatting with shop assistants.
Speaking of chatting, that's exactly what we'll practice today. How to ask for help, talk about prices, and make polite small talk while shopping.
All right, let's start with some useful shopping phrases. Repeat after us.
Excuse me, how much is this?
Do you have this in a different size?
Can I try this on, please?
I'm just looking, thank you.
Do you accept credit cards?
Great. Simple, polite, and super useful anywhere in the world.
Let's listen to a short shopping conversation.
I'll be the shop assistant and you'll be the customer, James.
Excuse me, how much is this jacket?
It's 45 pounds, sir.
Oh, nice. Do you have it in a larger size?
Let me check. Yes, we have a medium and a large.
Perfect. Can I try it on, please?
Of course. The fitting rooms are on your right.
Thanks a lot.
Did you notice how polite that conversation was? James used words like excuse me and please. These are essential for sounding natural and respectful in English.
Okay, now it's your turn, listeners. This time, you play my role, and I'll play the shop assistant.
Ready? Let's go.
Hello, can I help you? It's 45 pounds, sir. Yes, we have a medium and a large. Of course, the fitting rooms are on your right. You're welcome.
Brilliant! Keep repeating until your speech feels smooth and confident.
Now, let's talk about small talk. Those friendly little chats that make conversations warm and easy.
Right. Here are a few examples you can use while shopping. It's really busy today, isn't it? I love this color. It's so bright. The weather's been great lately, hasn't it? This is my favorite shop.
Small talk helps you sound friendly and start conversations naturally. And remember, in British culture, talking about the weather is always safe.
Absolutely. You can say, lovely day, isn't it? In any situation and you'll get a smile. Let's quickly practice some pronunciation. Repeat after us slowly.
Excuse me.
How much is this?
I'm just looking, thank you.
Lovely day, isn't it?
Great. Notice how the tone rises at the end of that last question. Isn't it? That makes your voice sound friendly and curious.
Time for a quick quiz. I'll ask and you answer out loud. What do you say when you want to try something on? What do you say if you're only looking and don't need help? What's one safe topic for small talk in England?
And the answers are, can I try this on, please? I'm just looking, thank you. The weather. Well done, everyone. And that wraps up today's episode of English in Real Life, Shopping and Small Talk.
We hope you've enjoyed practicing polite phrases and small talk that'll make your English sound smooth and natural.
Remember, it's not just about the words, it's about confidence and kindness.
Beautifully said, James. And to our lovely listeners, keep listening, keep repeating, and keep shining. See you next time.
See you next time.
This is Olivia and James signing off. Bye-bye.